Hello guys, listen a sad love story. A girlfriend gave a challenge to her boyfriend to live a day without him. No communication at all, and said if he paused it, she will love him forever. The boyfriend agreed. He never texted nor called his girlfriend for the whole day. Without knowing, his girlfriend has only 24 hours left because she was dying because of cancer. After a day, he excited went to his girlfriend. He did it, baby, but tears fell as he saw his girlfriend laying in the coffin with a note. You did it, baby. Now please do it every day. I love you. If you love this story, please double tap. Thank you.